Types of resistance welding. The different types of resistance weldings are shown in this video. Seam welding, upset butt welding, spot welding, projection welding, flash butt welding. Seam welding. In seam welding, the welding electrodes are motor-driven wheels rather than stationary rods. The result is a rolling resistance weld or non-hermetic seam weld used to join two sheets together. Upset butt welding. Upset butt welding is a welding technique that produces coalescence simultaneously over the entire area of abutting surfaces or progressively along a joint by the heat obtained from the resistance to electric current through the area where those surfaces are in contact. Spot welding. Workpieces are held together under pressure exerted by electrodes. Typically, the sheets are in the 0.5 to 3 mm thickness range. Process uses two shaped copper alloy electrodes to concentrate welding current into a small spot and to simultaneously clamp the sheets together. Projection welding. Projection welding is a modification of spot welding. In this process, the weld is localized by means of raised sections or projections on one or both of the workpieces to be joined. Flash butt welding. Flash welding does not use any filler metal. The pieces of metal to be welded are set apart at a predetermined distance based on material thickness, material composition and desired properties of the finished weld. Current is applied to metal and the gap between the two pieces creates resistance and produces the arc required to melt the metal.